service in Des Moines and a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Hardin County and Central Iowa. Franklin County and North Central Iowa. Nueces County and North Central Iowa. Northwestern Boone County and Central Iowa. Southwestern Buffalo County and North Central Iowa. At 2:09 a.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles west of Hinton, moving southeast at 60 miles per hour. Expected hazards include some falling all signs hail and 60 miles per hour wind speed. Severe damage can be due to extreme thunder. The following is our hazards people can use for conditions. Expect hail damage to move. This includes Interstate 35 between mile markers 154 and 177. For your protection, move to carry a room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 2:45 a.m. for the following counties in Iowa: Butler, Franklin, Grundy, Hardin, and Wright. Local radar indicated red. The following detectors are expected. Hail damage is expected. Secondary damage to roofs, and trees. Locations impacted include Randy Center, Lincoln, Monterey, Forest State Park, Mormon Grove State Park, and Thank you.